from yesterday's analysis. So I was bullish yesterday, but due to the Infosys results, market opened with a huge gap up, but then a very large negative candle was formed in the first 5 minutes itself. So we have ended up with a bearish engulfing, which is not a very strong bearish engulfing. So most likely we are going to go into a sideways consolidation for Nifty, I think. So we could correct up to 17,500 in the next 1, 2, 3 days. So we have had 9 continuous up days, and so the 10th day is a down day. So we could expect 2 to 3 down days and 17,500 as the potential target. From where I would expect that we will resume an upward journey towards 18,000 and 18,200, right? If I look at Bank Nifty also, the state is very similar. There is very high chance that Bank Nifty gets stuck in this big range of 42,000 to 42,800, right? So this is the trading range that I expect for April, the entire April. I would be surprised if it goes down too much or if it goes up too much. So Bank Nifty looks like more complicated for me to trade, so I'll be focusing on Nifty. So looking at intraday chart, where can we look at? So the resistance will come at around the high of yesterday, right? So 17,755, 17,750 should be the area where we can look for shorting Nifty. Our target should be in the next 2-3 days 17,500. So I'm looking at such a position. Let's see how it goes. So thank you for joining, and if you liked the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you very much.